Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Virginia Magno, 38 years old, single parent. I have two brothers and one sister. I am the eldest in the family. I have two children. They are both girls. They are now 6 years old and 18 years old. I work abroad as domestic helper in 4 countries, all for over 7 years in Saudi, Taiwan, Qatar, and Dubai. I took care combination for growing kids, old people abroad. I can also take care newborn baby. I can do I can do household chores like ironing, cleaning, washing, go to the market, and cooking. I like to work Hong Kong because for my children need more financial support. I choose Hong Kong because salary is high and have a holiday. I hope you like me, Mom and Sir. That's all for now. See you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you.